chasing the color. Hey guys, it's Melody and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video I will be doing different hairstyles with my hair, and as you guys know, I have box braids in my hair, and this could be done with any type of hair you have. You can do anything with it, and this will be voice-overed, so I'm so sorry if you guys hear my family downstairs. They're having fun. I'll be doing a voiceover for this video of when I'm doing my hair. So please subscribe if you're new, and like if you like this video, and follow me on my social medias. Sadly, I do not have Instagram, but you can follow me on Snapchat and TikTok. So follow me on social medias. I'll leave a link in the description. So yeah, let's get into this video.
Okay, so I have this container full of different types of rubber bands that I'll be using. So I have this large one that I use for ponytails, this mini one that I use for like little things. So here's the first hairstyle. It's going to be like a crown type. It's a very simple hairstyle that I normally do basically all the time. So it's a very popular hairstyle. Second hairstyle, I use the big rubber band because we are going to do a bun. So my buns are not that awesome, so this is how I make my buns, and they're kind of messy. So if you could do really good buns, I suggest doing that. So then I took 2 strands of each out of my hair to make it add more style to it. Alright, so third hairstyle. I use my mini elastic. So it's basically like the first one we did, but it's just more down, like into my hair. So then I took at least 3 strands out. So this is me drinking water because I needed a water break. Fourth hairstyle. I am going to be making a mini bun. So the buns I do are very interesting. So you could make a regular bun and then stick the excess hair inside the elastic, and it makes a really cool bun, and it makes you have really curly hair. So you could do that with a whole bun or something. So I took 2 strands out, and that's what it looked like. So fifth hairstyle, I am going to be braiding my hair for this. So I don't braid tons of my hair because I already have curls at the bottom and I don't really want to mess those up. So I only braid the braids on top, I guess you could say, basically. So then I use the mini elastic and braid it like that. And then I move it apart from each other so it has more volume. Or you could do this if you don't know how to braid. You could just do twists, which look cute as well. And then tie it up with my elastic, and then move it apart from each other. And then you could take some hair out to add some style to it. That is it for my different type hairstyles that I do for my braids, and some of them weren't that good how I do it, and there's probably better people who can do these things out here. I'm not a professional hairstylist or anything, so don't judge me. So that is basically it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, see you next Sunday. Bye!